work with the guy in Perth. At least I know what's next.
It will work with the guy. The professionals.
This is my cat Pixey, everyone. She is a B-I-T-C-H-A-S, a bitch ass. She's such a beautiful thing though, because if you look at her, as she do, she will bite you on the leg, because she bites everyone on the leg, because she's mean ass. Look at her little eyes. Look at her eyes. Like, look at those eyes. You see those eyes? She's like, I'll bite you. And then she turns her head. She's like, yeah, I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Dale. I'm watching you, Dad. I'm watching you. And I'm like, well, come on then. Come on then. I'll bite you in the face, you little shit. Let's have a silence for a minute. She's like 11 weeks old too, by the way. So she will attack if I rub her belly. I got her attention. Got her attention. She's not happy about that. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh no, she's biting me. She's got the teeth of a jaguar, she does. And she's racist. Look at her. She's white and black. She's a racist cat. Oh, I love her though, don't I? Oh, she's got me. She's biting me. She's biting me. Oh, she's biting me. Oh no, she's biting me. Bite her. Bite your paw. Bite your paw, you little raccoon. Oh my god, here comes the claws. She has got the goddamn claws. Oh my god, she's biting. She's biting. She's biting. She's biting. I can feel her heartbeat. He's like... No! Get out! She's watching my hand like there's nothing. Oh, she's in attack mode. She's in attack mode. She's in attack mode. She's in attack mode. Ah, she's in attack mode. Look at this fucking bitch. Oh, she's gone. Pixey. So her name is Pixey, P-I-X-E-Y. She is 11 weeks old kitty, I think. She is a black and white, well, black and grey actually, kitten. She has green eyes. She has a bitch of an attitude. She likes to bite like crazy. Like, look at the teeth marks on my hand there. What are the teeth marks right there? See the red dots? Yeah. I mean, she bit me. And she likes to chase everything in her path, including my mate. But she likes to bite. And this is Saeed, the one that's got the cat. And he's now going on YouTube. Ah. Yes, you are! Wait, why do you need to borrow Pixey for? Oh, go on then. Go, it's on time. She's now chasing a pink laser. I think it's purple actually. This is the high density laser too, meaning if you look at it, it will blind you. It's not really made for anything. Kitty's going to be so popular on YouTube, it's not funny. I hate it. That's not cute though. said that. Na, 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 na. Look at that laser, guys. She's looking at it. She's watching it. She's staring at it. She's gonna go for it. Oh, and she launches straight past me. Oh my frick me, Jesus God. She's looking. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's gone. Oh, I see it. I see it. No, I don't see it. Oh no, no, not a good idea. Freaking put it on my thingy thing, yeah. You do know it reflects off white, right? So you can't see it.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's why, because I'm white. Give me a hand, bitch.
Come on. Get it, kitty. Get it here, on the balls.
Oh, God damn it. Ah, my back, you bitch. That was it.
See, this is new. Your cat can climb it up.
Yeah, but you can't.
And she can climb it down also.
I know. She's even been up on the top of the door frame.
She's being a Spider-Man.
It's nice and dark in here. Pixey. Meow. Oh. He won't go to the house with the pen, it's too low.
What's that?
The extra room.
Oh, this one.
You can buy them if you want.
What are these?
Computer games, what else? Hey Jedi, you're on YouTube. Can't help it. It's got nice legs. Kitty. Wait, look at the light. God damn it. Chase the light. I'm trying to put you on YouTube. You're interfering with me. YouTube. Dumbass. The light, you know? I don't think she's minding the light yet. Ah, she's looking for Jack. It'll be darker in there, so it'll be better in there. You'll be able to see it clearer.
Come on, baby. Now she's gonna do a backflip. She's gonna do a backflip.
Kitty's about to go flying. Woo! And flying competition is 2. 1, 2, 3. She likes doing acrobatics. She loves it. It's fun. 2, 1, go! And surprisingly, it doesn't scare her. Because she's a cat. That's because she's higher.
Yeah, but that's good enough, you know. When she gets over it, she's gonna jump higher. Oh!
Yeah, that's a good way of jumping. You'll hook onto the blanket and they're not like... Dare to try catching her. Your claws would be dug straight into her arm.
Come on.
This kitten here is so high jumpy, she's not funny.
Yes, that's the way to do it. Playing and learning.
I'd laugh if she pooped on his bed. So. And this, guys, is out the front of my house. Right now you're looking through a screen, as you can see. So it's scary. I swear, it's scary out there. Pixey. She got it. Nope, she didn't. Hey, Saeed, open your door. Open your door. No, look at your door, dude. That's cool. That's freaking awesome. You're like people's motorcycle. That's it. Yes. On the door. Alright peoples, this is a YouTube video of Pixey running around chasing a laser that's high density.
See, my point again.
You can see me on the...
Listen, my point again.
Oh.
Now you want it from the whole world.
You can see me on the mirror. As you can see me, woohoo! I am Dylan Rogers, I'm 20, and I am going to be at work tomorrow, so I won't be able to do a video into the Arvo, but I will do a video as soon as I get home, and it will be of Pixie running around the backyard with Saeed chasing her with a hose. Most likely, it depends on if he's at work. But I will catch you guys later, and stay tuned for more funny kitten videos. Catch ya. Bye!